Ever wanted to play famous songs on your TinkerBlock? Today we're becoming melody maestros and playing complete songs with perfect timing. Meet our classic melody maestro. We're using the TK37 passive buzzer to play three famous songs: Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Happy Birthday, and Jingle Bells. This isn't just beeping, it's real music. Here's the magic. We store each song in two arrays, one for the notes and one for the durations. Each note has its exact frequency, and each duration controls how long it plays. When we combine them, we get perfect musical timing. Watch this. I'm playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Notice how each note flows naturally into the next? That's because we've programmed the exact timing for each note. Quarter notes, half notes, and even rest notes for silence. The code is beautifully organized. Each song is a separate function with its own melody and duration arrays. The play melody function reads both arrays simultaneously, creating perfect synchronization between notes and timing. Now check out Happy Birthday. This one uses mixed rhythms with quarter and eighth notes. The melody rises and falls naturally, just like the real song. Every note is perfectly timed and in tune. Finally, Jingle Bells, with its energetic rhythm and rest notes for dramatic pauses. This shows how we can create complex musical patterns with simple arrays and precise timing control. From children's songs to holiday classics, this melody maestro transforms your TinkerBlock into a complete music player. The possibilities are endless. Add your own songs, change the tempo, or create original compositions. Hit subscribe for more TinkerBlock magic. Drop a comment with your favorite song, and let's make some music. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome TinkerBlock projects.